Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put dark mode in Chrome. We start by opening Chrome, then click on the Customize and Control Google Chrome option and then on Settings. After that, click on the Appearance option. Here we will see the Mode section, and we will have a drop-down menu where we can choose the dark mode. After selecting the option, we will see this Appearance option applied, and we will have Chrome in dark mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.